Do you know the oldest thing on earth? It is Earth. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. But human civilization began few thousand years ago, which led to modern living system. We live in the age of technology with cool gadgets and loads of technology to make our lives better, easier and more enjoyable. Yet we still live in a failed society where manual scavenging still exists and human waste is dumped in rivers, oceans, etc. It is turning all our rivers into cesspools, destroying soils, harming human health, damaging food supplies, and wrecking water supplies. 941 people have died cleaning sewers and septic tanks in India. 213 people died in Tamil Nadu alone, according to the government survey. Conventional sewer system lead to groundwater contamination and pollution of resources that might cause an epidemic outbreak. Are we aware of this issue or choose to be ignorant? With technology advancing, we need to change our lifestyles to keep up, which is installation of bioseptic tank in your home, office, schools, hospitals or any other buildings. You might wonder how this will stop pollution and manual scavenging. The answer is yes, all these issues will be resolved. Bioseptic tanks are a revolution in sanitation. In conventional toilets, only 30% of human waste is degraded and the other 70% remains in the septic tank. In MAC Bioseptic tank, human waste up to 99.9% gets digested by anaerobic microbial inoculum filled in the biotank and gets converted into reusable water and methane gas. MAC Bioseptic tanks provides eco-friendly disposal of human waste. It is maintenance-free, efficient, without dependent on any energy source and its effluents are odorless. We offer a one-time installation of our bioseptic tank that will last for the rest of your life without maintenance. MAC India Limited is engaged in making Mother Earth clean by using bioseptic tank to avoid sewage systems. In collaboration with DRDO, MAC India made the impossible possible. No more manual scavenging, no more cleaning your septic tank and no more polluting our Mother Earth. We have a solution for every pollution.